everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzaza Soapy stories and today talking about iSkeem Saam guys. Siyayibuza guys ukuthi ke le storyline sika Mapitsi no DJ Thomas sizohamba sifike ku because kudala ke besidraga ke so bathi ke namhlanje ke uThibos would tell uMapitsi ukuthi hey wena yazi lama rumors agcwele phana emsebenzini wena azokwenza ukuthi ningasebenzi kahle ukuthi wena ujola ke no DJ Thomas and uMapitsi uzobona ukuthi yazini into le engazi ukuthi sifuna ukuphuma ke le secret le ebese ke no helper wasendlini uanti wasendlini amtshela ukuthi wena no DJ Thomas so kuba sengathi bebaningi abantu esebesola ke le relationship kaMapitsi kanye ke no DJ Thomas as much as uThibos engavezi ukuthi ke uyayikholwa but na uzoqala ka notice because ukama umtshelile wathi wena into emele uyinotice la into emele uyibhekisise kahle la I relationship komfazi wakho kanye ke no DJ Thomas and enye into bathi ke uThibos uzoqala ke ukunotice ukuthi hayibo kukhona ushintsho likhona yazi kunkosikazi wami likhona ushintsho likhona kunkosikazi wami une behavior nje engajwayeleki yakhumbula ukuthi last time wawisi glass wayiphihleza phansi so manje uyathuka nje nanginokama kambeke ethuba guys ula ukama ula one moment ayitholayo nje a moment ayitholayo ufuna expose vele ke uMapitsi but guys yo uyangimangaza indlela ajola ngakhona ngazi uthi hey bathi bamudim ongimakatsa wise because indlela ajola ngakhona ngazi uthi usingile ngazi uthi umuntu osingile ongashadile like seze wenzana eoffice nendawo kulala because ufuna ukujola kahle guys I can't wait for ukuthi le sibhamu lesana sika Thibos sibulale sidubule yena lo Mapitsi lo noma ngangafa mbudubula unyawo aphola sindi hayi ujola kakhulu guys wenza kakhulu that is too much that's very very too much for umuntu oshadile very woman ufuna ukuthi bajabule ke manje ke athukwe ke nefamily yakhe ithukwe hayi guys I can't wait for this secret to be ukuthi yaziwa abantu bonke ngoba wow hayibo it's too much I don't want to lie guys. That brings us to the end of this video.